And now for part 2 of our ride with Kenneth, we had to pause the video so he could use my camera phone to call his father. Ding, ding.
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to run you out there?
Yeah, if you can, that'd be great.
Absolutely.
And then from there I can walk to the Wheeler Mission, and I guess I'll have to stay there one more night, because after today I'm going back to Hickory, the treatment center. I just graduated a 30-day program.
But then you slept?
No, there's some things happened, and for some reason the bed wasn't available when they said it was, and the Medicab never showed up, and they said they were having trouble with the area code. For some reason it was showing up as out of their service area.
Oh, I understand.
So anyway, it's hard to understand, so I can't understand how you do.
What'd your dad have to say there when you talked to him on the phone?
That he is going to be my father still.
Well, good. Have you guys not gotten along over the years, or?
We've had it rough, man. It's been a rough time, man. My mom passed back in 86 when I was 4 years old, and so it's a hell of a story. But I mean, he's still around. He's getting older now. And
does he live here in Bloomington?
No, he doesn't. He's from Indiana here, but he's not living in Bloomington.
Well, it sounds like you've got good family support.
Not too much. He's the one.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I do have some. Do you have them?
Yeah, I've got one sister.
What's your name?
Zook.
Zook what?
Zook Zakula.
No, that's not even a real name. You made that shit up.
Well,
my name's Jim Jones.
Actually, Jim Jones, the Guyana guy, the mass murderer.
The one that's from the Indianapolis area.
Yeah, but he spent plenty of time at Indiana University here in Bloomington. Really? He never graduated.
Did you go to Indiana University?
I did.
Do you know my nephew just graduated from Indiana University here?
Did you go to graduation?
I wasn't able to. No, I was probably in jail. I think I heard. Just except our family got split up and drugs took a toll on us. And
oh boy.
Things happened, and
yeah, Jim Jones, he didn't graduate from Indiana University.
I went to Indiana University.
What was your
Kokomo, Indiana University of Kokomo.
Oh.
And I ended up dropping out because I got a full-time job and I had my first child.
Oh, you've got a kid?
5 daughters.
You've got 5 daughters? Wow. Well, good for you. Well, you got a lot to do, my friend.
A lot to do.
God has blessed you.
Well, it's a lot to do. It's a lot of search, not soul searching. Let me say a lot of work to do. A lot of work to be done for just not making the right choices and just
do you have like
all that, not making the right choices. I made a lot of bad choices, and
well, no one is beyond redemption, and you're a young guy, and
I'm young. I'm 41.
Well, that's young.
It is.
If you live to be 132, you're only, or no, 23.
127, you mean?
Then you're only a third of the way through. Do you have like an ex-wife or a bunch of baby mamas? Or paint a picture for me.
No, I have an ex-wife, and I have first love. So my first love, I got 2 daughters with her, and my ex-wife, I've got 3 with her.
So you only have 2 ex-old ladies, then?
Yeah, I have a 21-year-old, and I have my youngest is 9.
Well, what's your 21-year-old doing? Is she here in?
She's still living as a house wife already.
Oh, she's married?
No, but she lives with her boyfriend. He lived with her for the last 4 years, and then Grandma got tired of it, and so she went to live with him, and he works at FedEx.
Oh, those are good.
No, he works for UPS.
I'll tell you what,
to be a driver.
Those UPS, is he a good dude? Does he suffer from LAZY?
He did for a long time, but I guess he's working now, so that's good.
Do you guys
he reads books.
What, have you had to get after him over the years about?
No, I wasn't able to because, you know, it's complicated. It's a story, man. He lived with my first love or whatever, my baby's mom. I hate saying that, but well, my baby's mom, when she went to prison and I was locked up, we were both in prison. Her mom had our kids, but once they got old enough, you know, grandma took care of him and she let him stay there for several years, and then she said he's lazy. So now that she's got cancer and she had to be in the hospital and stuff.
Wait, who has cancer? Grandma?
Yeah.
Well, what a confusing story.
Confusing?
Yeah, this is like an episode of Dallas.
Well, my mom.
Wait a minute, the guy fathered kids by two different women?
What guy?
You're like.
No, my daughter's boyfriend don't have no kids. They don't have no kids. I'm not a grandfather yet.
Oh, okay.
I fathered kids by two different women.
Oh, okay.
I've got 5 daughters.
And the father of your daughter is the lazy one.
That's me. The father of my daughter is me. Can't be lazy. I'm not lazy.
Okay, I'm all right. I'm getting confused.
The father of my daughter.
The boyfriend.
Okay.
The boyfriend is the one who suffers from LAZY.
No, he's good. He takes care of her. His grandfather. I don't know a lot about him. I really don't. I just know he's an Allen. His last name is Allen, and I know that his grandfather. He lives with the grandfather, and the grandfather gives them a place to live.
Oh, okay. Well, it sounds like things are working out.
Yeah, and I know that. I wish I knew more, honestly.
Well,
it's a really shaky ground for me to be talking about that, especially with the complete stranger.
Well, I can help with this stuff. I'm good at affairs of the heart, and stay sober, get a job, and you can live happily ever after. You got 5 daughters.
This is the same Kroger's that you just took. No, it's not. This is a different one.
Yeah, this is the one.
The same one you just took me to, but this one.
No, it's not the same one.
It's not.
No, we're across town. We're out on 46. So.
No, this is not the one I went to the other day. You know? But
Yeah.
This'll.
Okay.
I don't know where this is.
This
is the one?
Yeah, it's a little bit north. This is Walnut Street, and if you want to go back to the Wheeler Mission, it's just this way.
Kroger I'm talking about is right by Burger King, and there's a this must be it. This has got to be it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I may be confused right now.
Well, okay.
So you're telling me, okay, I see. So Wheeler Street's not far from here, is it?
It's just that way. You walk out the door, you take a right.
Okay. And
Okay.
Is that the Patterson apartment complex?
I'm not sure. But hey, Kenneth, I want you to look for me, okay? I'll help you in the future.
I'll be here at least another 24 hours.
Okay.
And from there, I mean, I'd like to talk to you more. I really would.
Okay.
And I would.
Fantastic. You see me on the street, flag me down, stay sober, go to church, and look for me. 3 things.
Thank you.
Promise?
I promise.
I love you.
I may have a drink.
Well.
One.
All right. Well, maintain your virtue and no highly undignified displays.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, God bless you.
God bless you.
Hey, thank you so much for the ride.
Right on, brother. Keep rocking. See ya.
Stay zooking.
I will. All right. Well, there's a story there with Kenneth. I think he's kind of struggling with maintaining the proper headspace there. But the good news is I let him use my phone, as you saw there, and he talked to his father. He's talking about going back into rehab. And hey, it's a long road, and I think Kenneth has a chance. So as always, folks, if you like what you see, go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, and leave me a couple comments. And we got a lot more work to do here out on the streets, so let's get to it.